Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today again we will take a look at the euro currency, since market is showing some progress here, and on the daily chart it really has some sense that its market is ready for upward action, because it somehow stands flat and doesn't continue move to the downside. And in the mind it could be the feelings that it's really has the shape of something of some kind of the upward preparation or something of that sort. But on the intraday charts, as you will see, it's not quite clear, and we can't confirm it based on the technical picture that we have. So on the daily chart, we see that yes, the market has taken the pause. As you can see, some sort of the indecision session. This market has closed right at the open price and taking some pause in the action, and in general in recent time, as you can see, 4 sessions in a row market stands relatively tight, because there is some concern exists around the Greek debt burden, and many investors really worry that it's really small like the default possible on the Greek and the Greece, and that at the same time it's nothing clear yet, and that this moment holds euro flat. From the technical point of view, yesterday we have discussed this grabber that probably we could think that it's really still valid, and this grabber suggests the taking out of these lows. Simultaneously we said that this could be some sort of the nested doll action, because this market will take out of these lows, it will be very close to that lows, and if it will take out of that lows, it will trigger the stops that have been placed below this low and will fall right to the targets 103, 127 extension of the butterfly. Okay. Also, yesterday we said that market has shifted trend to the bullish, but price action in recent 4th session mostly stand flat, and even with the downward direction, it's not really supports the bullish trend shifting, and market has failed to pass through the monthly pivot point. As you can see, market has tested it and dropped lower. It still holds below it, very close to it, but still it stands below, stands under this level. So from the one point of view, market doesn't show yet really significant downward direction, but at the same time we do not see as really some sort of depreciation. So probably we will have to watch closely to the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I would like to show you some interesting moments. Here just the same extensions. I did not draw the wings of the butterflies here, guys, as yesterday, but you probably remember our 2 different butterflies. The first one is the daily, so you can see this big butterfly, left wing and right wing with the target approximately 103. The second one stands right here as potential butterflies, we have called it yesterday. So the extension of this most recent swing, it's 1618 extension, coincides with the target of this big butterflies, 103 again. But today I would like to attract your attention to some other moments. That's our ABCD that hasn't been tested yet, hasn't been reached the target. That's also important. Market hasn't quite complete this target, this pattern, just for a few pips. But today we will take a look at the interesting nuances that we have here in the recent part of this chart. So recall what we have said on the previous week. Market has formed 3-drive sell pattern. It has moved slightly higher than the target of this 3-drive, the market should turn down. Market has formed here as nicely looking bearish engulfing. That was valid, and market has started to move down based on this pattern. Okay. The target of this pattern at minimum will be this low. This is the low between the 2nd and the 3rd drive. That's the classical target of the 3-drive pattern, and it hasn't been reached yet. Here, guys, it really reminds me action of the Gartner's 222 sell pattern. So market has dropped and shows right now the ABCD retracement of this leg. It means that current upward action should finish soon and market should continue move lower. So at least current situation looks bearish on the 4-hour time frame chart. And here, guys, I have marked this area with the circle and the arrow, so you can see that here we could get also the stop grabber. If this will happen, we probably should be ready for taking out of these lows. And if this will happen, that significantly will increase the chance of further downward drop on the euro. The same picture approximately we see on the hourly chart. So we will take a look at the hourly. That's our discussion yesterday. Recall what we have said, as market has broken through this trend line support. In fact, that was the channel that looks like the flag pattern on the daily chart. Okay, so market had dropped out, and we said here around the weekly pivot point was the confluence. But we said that it's really theoretically it's possible that market will retest the broken trend line. That happens very often, and that really has happened. So you can see market has reached this area, tested it, drop out of it, and now stands at some upward potential return. But here, guys, we also have the 1618 fib resistance. It's already has been tested here. Market failed. It's returned right back up, but the strength of the market here is weaker, and the chance on the further upward breakout seems right now not really significant. Anyway, guys, if even market will form the full ABCD retracement here with the equal legs AB and CD, take a look that the target of this retracement will be slightly lower than this one, and that one is the invalidation point of our grabber that we have here with previous stop. That's why it's not where it will be really good, because we yesterday said that if market will return right back down in this channel, that will be not really a good sign for the bulls. But I hope that this market will finish this retracement somewhere in this area. So we will see what will happen. But currently, if you have taken the short position around this area and placed stop to this one, this placed stop above the grabber, about the monthly pivot point, I think that this scenario is still intact, and it's not. It's a bit early to panic and close the shorts. And currently, market shows nothing really bullish. It's the 4-hour time frame chart. This action looks really perfect from the bearish point of view. It's free drive, drop down, retracement after the first swing down, ABCD retracement, and market should turn to the downside here. If this will not happen, and this ABCD retracement will shift to something bigger, market will move above this top. In this case, we will have to acknowledge that our short-term bearish scenario has failed, and market is ready for further upward action. That will be a really important moment for the short-term perspective on the euro currency. Until that will happen, the bearish scenario is still valid, and you could keep the position if you have taken it at the retesting of this trend line with the stops above this top. So, but in general, guys, returning back inside of the channel will be not a very good sign. So here you could decide by yourself. But if we will follow to the technical analysis by the letter, then the real invalidation point stands right here. But returning back inside of the channel will be the early bell that something is going wrong. So market following the normal market behavior of the based on the how the bearish trend should develop, market should not return back inside of the channel, should continue move to the downward somewhere from this area. So let's see how it will continue to develop here and what we will get on the euro currency in the short-term perspective.